Okay, we're choosing the wood for our guitar build to answer Will's challenge. This is maple, local maple. And here's my other piece. It's a little bit longer. It's 34 inches long, and that one over there is 31 5/8 inches long. But this one's got a slight warp to it because of the direction it was cut. So I think we're going to choose this one. We're going to have to rip it because, well, nobody needs a lap steel that's that wide. It's 10 5/8 inches wide and 2 7/16 inches thick. So we're going to rip a piece out of this and then probably rip it again so that we can match it. So this is the piece. Well, I was all set to make the pole pieces for my pickup with my little jeweler's lathe here, but this is what I discovered that the small belt looks like, so that idea is out the window. Okay, here's our materials list for Will's Guitar Challenge. This is a piece of thin maple that I'm going to use for bobbin caps. Here is some shielded or insulated wire that came out of the figure 8 coil in a television. This is a cast iron welding rod, filler rod, that I'm going to use for my pole pieces. This is a 325 thousandths mild steel rod that's going to get turned into a bridge and saddles. This is a fridge magnet, or at least it was a fridge magnet. I don't know what the hell it's made out of. I assume alnico. Here's our body, which is a big piece of local maple, and when I say local, I mean within 10 miles of where I live. And this here is another piece of mild steel that we're going to use for our tailpiece. And that's it so far. I think what I'm going to do for, instead of machine heads, I'm going to use lag bolts and a wee little crescent wrench. Okay, we've got the basic layout here. I don't know how much you can see in the sun, but I can't see shit in this damn phone. But anyway, there's our basic layout. We've got a 25.5 inch scale because that's what I like. Before, damn near, and finished. Boys, that blade ever sharp, eh? Oh, you can't see that side, but yeah, it didn't cut it. It kind of burnt its way through. But it's in 2 pieces. And there's what we got after a spoke shave, a draw knife, and a rasp, and a belt sander. We got rid of all the marks. Okay, boys, here's what she looks like in the sunlight. Change of plan, boys. I was going to use the figure 8 coil wire out of the TV tubes, but this here wire is much thinner and it's insulated too, so I'm going to see if I can peel the wire out of a couple of these, and that's what I'm going to use for my coils and my rheostat. Another change of plans, boys. I got this switch cover or pressure plate cover or pressure sensor cover or whatever it is from GSW. We don't know what it is, so I'm going to harvest the plastic off it to make my pickup bobbin. So I suppose there's going to be many changes of plans. And yet another change of plans, boys. Instead of using that cast iron, I'm going to use this rod to make my pickup poles. Okay, there's the top and bottom. I've still got them stuck together because I still have to drill the pole holes in it. But there's the initial shape of the bobbin, top and bottom. How did I determine the placement of my poles? By using these tools. A little bit more completed. There she is, the pickup bobbin. A little bit of cloth on there. And then I'll wind it, and then I will pot it. Okay, this is the wire I'm going to use to wind my pickup. But there's a little piece of cloth I found for it, off of an old pair of my pajamas. Look, boys, there it is. I got to pot it and glue the magnet to the back, but there it is. And no, I'm not going to tell you how it's wound, because it'll stomp on a friend's intellectual property. But there it is. It used to be junk. Now it's a pickup. Well, hopefully.